Here I have VIVO V3 Max. Let me show you top tricks on the following device. So let's start with the first one. So let me show you the S capture. Let's open the screen and let's open the screen that you want to capture. For example, in my case, it will be the list of settings. Now, if you would like to use, for example, the long screenshot, let's use the down bar, choose S capture right here. And as you can see, you can, for example, use screen recording. You can use funny screenshot or long screenshot. Let me use the long screenshot. Here you've got the tutorial. If this is your first time, let me scroll this tutorial and tap OK. Now you can use the long screenshot by using the next key, and you just save this list of screen and tap save. That's it, you just save this list of screens. So that's it. This is the long screenshot. Now let me go to the next trick. Let me show you the iManager. The iManager is one of the most powerful apps on this device. Let's open the iManager. Here the device is scanning itself, and here you can, for example, use the phone clean, and you can clean the junk files. It's really good to do it, to just refresh your device and to use it in a better way. The device is scanning again, so let's wait a few seconds. Alright, it's almost done. Here you've got the progress bar. Now you can clean up those files. Let me do it. Let me clean the junk files. And the device is removing all the trash. Let's tap done. That's what I need to do. Here you can use also the data monitor. You can use the privacy app or power manager. Let's go back and let's go for the next fix. So let me show you shake to turn the flashlight. Let's tap settings. Here you need to scroll down and choose here more settings. Then from the following options you need to let's go back, and here from the following options let's choose smart motion right here. So let's tap here the smart motion, and here you can use shake to turn on the flashlight. Now if you would like to shake to turn on the flashlight, you need to lock your device, just shake it and the flashlight should pop up. Let me show you again. The flashlight is activated. You can use the power key to disable the flashlight, and that's it. Alright, so let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the smart wake. Here also from smart motion, let's choose smart wake, and you can use here slide upward to unlock, slide downward to take a photo, or you can, for example, draw some letters. It's really cool. For example, let's draw C to wake the dialer. Let me show you. Just draw C and you just unlock the dialer. Let me show you again. Let's lock your device, draw C, and you should open the dialer. That's it. Let's go for the next trick. Let me show you the smart click. So let's here choose smart click from settings, and here you can, for example, use volume down to turn on the flashlight, to record the video, to open camera, or to open Facebook, for example, or enable some other app. Let me, for example, open camera. So now if you lock your device and press the volume down for a few seconds, you should open the camera. That's it, the camera is turning on. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.